Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing the Function First Classic shift knob. Alright, so the first step is going to be removing the shift boot. We're just going to pry that up. We're going to separate the knob from the boot. Now our vehicle here is equipped with a numeric racing short throw shifter, which we also highly recommend. This has the numeric shifter cables as well. So this will look a little bit different, but it will have the same shifter rod. So next we're going to remove the top of the shift knob from the base. There's a hidden hole here for a set screw that we'll take advantage of to add some more stability. So we'll just put this to the side. We'll take the provided set screw and just pre-thread it a little bit. Don't want to go too far in. Next step is going to be taking the base and threading it through your shift boot. The Function First provides these little O-ring gaskets that'll act as a retainer to hold the shift boot onto this base. So now the leather shift boot is on the shaft, we're going to tighten down these set screws. So we're going to start at the top first. Now we already lined this up, but you're going to want to make sure that these are threaded in some so that the base of the shift knob doesn't move around too much, but just to double check, just tighten to make sure the orientation is in the right way. I'm going to loosen this up to tighten this set screw real quick. Then we can install the top of the shift knob. Then we're going to go on the bottom side and tighten both set screws. Now it might be a little bit close with these retainers in here, so you might just need to shine a little light. Alright, so the last step is just going to be reinstalling the shift boot, and it just clips back in. It's easiest to start from the back first, get it lined up, and then just push down and it clips in place. And there you have it, the shift knob's installed. And now the Function First shift knobs are available both in aluminum and Delrin. Here we have a Delrin knob. The advantage of a Delrin is it adds a little more texture. If you're in a climate that's hot or you keep your vehicle outside, on a hot sunny day, it's going to feel a little cooler to the touch. Aluminum obviously is also a nice material. These are available with different colors, also different shift pattern combinations, really customizable to your liking. A new product from Function First. They make a shift right kit as well for the OEM shifter and various other parts for Porsches. More information or to see all the options available on this shift knob, check it out at flat6motorsports.com. Until the next one, thanks.